Okay, guys. Now we next to the other TMI is about Google. To be honest, if I just read the script, it's really easy to explain. But because I need to do vlog, that vlog is really with our language. Mm, there is no funny things if I do vlog with a script. I don't know. Yeah. So, mm, so So I want to tell you about Google. So if you do you guys know that at the past Google, the famous engine search that we know, in the past totally have different names. Before the name is Google, their idea is name is want to give Google name is Backrub. Yeah. So it started when 1996. Two Stanford students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, were building a project to analyze the internet. Their idea was simple but powerful. Sorry, I read it. So their idea is one to have a system that could check how websites were connected to each other using backlinks, and that's why the name is Backrub. Mm. Uh, but because Backrub didn't sound like a name with a powerful thing that makes us want to know about Backrub. So they start to think the other name, and there is Google. Yeah, a playful twist of the word Google. Google. I don't know how to pronounce it. Which means the number one followed by 100 zeros. The idea was to show just how massive the internet really is. Hmm. So if you guys can think, if the name is Backrub, hmm, when we want to okay Google, we need to say okay Backrub. It's really no 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 no. So it's really awkward. Weird. Awkward. Obviously, how to spell it? Sorry, I use an Indonesian language. Sorry. So, yeah, it's just about background. And you guys know, I don't know what to say. Okay, we have another TMI. Wait. Sorry. Mm, okay. Maybe you guys, for a programmer student, already learn PHP, CSS. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just learned that before. So there is more than two of that. Maybe we just know like Python. We know Python, JavaScript, uh, C plus plus, CS plus, C plus plus. I don't know, something like CCC and Python, PHP, CSS. I don't know the others, but it's not only 10 or 12 or 20, 50, 100. No. There there is more than 700 programming language. Um, and programming language is the tools that developers like us, the user, use to communicate with the computers. So each language has different style. Like when we use Python, mm, mm, we need to use by a dollar sign. When we use JavaScript, we use with hashtag. Yeah, hashtag. Yeah, hashtag. Or yeah, every language has the different way to communicate with the computers. So don't stop learning, guys, because technology is always develop. Yeah, develop. I don't know. Technology is always upgrade. So don't stop learning. If you guys already come into IT world, so never stop learn about IT because it's always upgrade. Maybe this year we use PHP with this language, with this style of language. After that, maybe the PHP is have the different style. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Okay, and I forgot the name of that girl. Wait, I want to share. I want to search. Uh, mm, uh, mm, it's about the language. So the first programmer in history is Ada Lovelace. So she is make the algorithm for Charles Babbage. I don't know how to pronounce it. Analytical engine, even though the machine itself was never completed until now. So the first algorithm, which is the first language, yeah, algorithm is language, yeah, in program, if I'm not mistaken. So the first who made is a girl. That's why it's really hard to understand. But why the professional programmer is always boy? And I don't know so. Maybe because their logic is better than us than girl. But it's okay. Doesn't mean that uh women can do as good as they can. Because the research is uh child child brain is it come from a mom's brain. So if the child is clever, it means that the mom is clever too. Okay. It's like okay, thank you guys for watching.